Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. This video is showing how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC. First go to any browser and download Windows 11 installation media. Then open it.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me.
Choose ISO file and click Next. Select a path for downloading ISO file. Choose any path and click Next. Wait for the media to completing download for Windows 11.
Bring the funk back.
Then again go to any browser and download Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. Then open the tool and download the Windows 10. Here you can download ISO file or create an installation media using USB. And wait to complete. Open the Windows 11 ISO file and copy all the files to the new folder on desktop or any path you can choose. Do the same for Windows 10. Then open Windows 11 folder on one side and Windows 10 folder on another side. Then go to Sources folder of Windows 10 and delete install.esd file of Windows 10. And then go to Windows 11 Sources folder and copy install.esd file and paste it into Windows 10 Sources folder. Then download appraisers.zip file from description. Then extract it and copy appraisers.dll file to Windows 10 Sources folder. and click Replace the file and destination. This is to solve a problem with Windows Security app on Windows 11. So you will need to copy appraisers.dll files to Windows 10 sources folder. That's all. You are ready to install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. This does not require any secure boot and TPM hardware support. Wait for the installation to complete the process. This will reboot your PC many times.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.